As per our analysis style, we always start with higher time frame like weekly, then we can go back into daily, then H4, okay, then H4, and then H1 time frame to find out our proper entry, our key zone, or where we can take buy or sell entry. Okay, so as per our analysis style, so let's get back into higher time frame first. Before that, I need to delete all of previous drawing, and as per you can see there, I just selected weekly time frame, and from a long time ago market just moving into bullish direction, and there was 3 big bearish candle, and also last week we got a bearish candle after 4 weeks of bullish momentum. Okay, and last week we got a lot of conclusion from the market because there was 2 sides in last week. Number 1 is there was a US and Iran agreement, okay, agreement due to ceasefire, and number 2 is they just violated the agreement. Okay, they just violated the agreement, or they just destroy the agreement in last week, and US side just wanted to made another agreement to avoid the loss of war, and Iran just avoiding US due to their lost or their loss. Okay, and they just want a proper solution for this war, not a temporary solution. The Iranian government side just says that. Okay, and in upcoming weeks we need to think about the war and what gonna be happen in upcoming week. That's why we need to keep our eyes properly on the economic calendar, on the news portals, and in the end of the video I will tell you where you can get all of thing in free. Okay, so as per last week trading data, as you can see that there is a clear trend line candlestick. Let me make it perfect first. As you can see there is a clear trend line, and market just touched there and going just up. And if I want to go for daily time frame, as you can see there, if I want to make a perfect trend line over here, okay, market just has a breakout from that particular area, and we are getting a lot of bearish momentum from last week, and in last Friday we got a bullish momentum over there. Okay, and what gonna be happen in upcoming week, or what gonna be happen in next. So if I want to draw our latest resistance area or resistance zone over there, as you can see there, seems it might be there, and next our next resistance area is around 4735. Okay, so let's get back into H4 time frame to find out a proper zone or entry. As you can see there, there is a breakout from H4 also. Okay, breakout, then just trying to go down. Okay, and if I want to take another look from the Fibonacci side, that means Fibonacci retracement side, last all-time high to last all-time low. Okay, that could be a perfect area for us. As you can see there, our 50 zone is running around that particular area. So what we can consider right now, you may ask me, Mr. what we can consider right now, and this 4735 to 40 area is very important to go buy or sell. Okay, because we got a resistance area over there. Market respected that area many times, so that is a important resistance area. So market may go that particular area again, and it may go down, or otherwise it will give us a breakout, then pull back, then again we can continue for buy. So what we can do for next, so let me make another trend line from upper side. Okay, and as you can see there, it seems a fake breakout because market opens with a gap, so we don't want to count that. So as per you can see there, okay right now, and we got a resistance area over there, we got a trend line resistance area over there, and there is a X zone, as you can see there. So while market just touch that particular area, so we can consider sell entry upon on, or depend on candle confirmation like pin bar confirmation, like engulfing confirmation, that means engulfing candle confirmation, then we can consider sell entry. Otherwise, if it gives us a breakout, then we will wait for a pullback, perfect pullback, then we can continue buying from this particular area. And that is technical thing. Okay, from fundamental thing, market is moving number one 80%, okay, 80% fundamental, and number two 20%, 20% technical. Okay, technical. So 80% fundamental and 20% technical. So where market is started to fall, where you have to understand, number one, when US and Iran started a war, okay, in that case, due to US oil agreement, you have to understand, due to US oil agreement, when the war started, oil price going high because the limitation of oil, while don't passing through the Hormuz Strait, and there is shortage of oil, and in that particular case oil price is going higher day by day. And due to US oil agreement, if oil price go up, US dollar, that means USD price will go up. And we know that if USD, okay, USD go up, that is weaker point for gold, okay, because XAUUSD always runs with opposite direction. That means if XAU go up, USD must have to go down. If USD go up, XAU must have to go down. So in that case, due to US oil agreement, United States dollar price rising up, gold is going down. And if you can see this particular area, why gold is going up? Because of Hormuz Strait is open. In that particular case, there is many tension in Hormuz Strait, okay, Hormuz Strait, and there is less tension in Hormuz Strait. That's why while price go down, United States dollar also lost their strength. In that case, gold is going up. So you have to keep your concern on that thing, United States dollar and oil, okay, and oil, okay, that two thing, and that two thing is directly connected with Strait of Hormuz. So you have to keep your concern on Hormuz Strait. So if Hormuz Strait, okay, Strait is open, gold is buy. If Hormuz Strait is closed, gold is for sell, because if closed, oil price will go up, United States dollar will go up, sell for gold. If open, oil price will go down, United States dollar go down, buy for XAUUSD. So this is the fundamental thing, and we are taking entries based on what? You must ask me, Mr. Boom, how we can take entry, because fundamental things come with big sell, big TP, and for the big zone. We are scalpers, so what we can do? Okay, let's clear that thing. Suppose Hormuz Strait open, okay, open. Oil price is going down, United States dollar is going down, and in that case XAU will be go up. So you will only consider buy entries. If you got fundamental confirmation to go buy, so you only can consider buy entries. In that case we will avoid selling, okay, we will avoid selling, we will take only buy entries in that case. So where you get buy entry, you can just take that, avoid selling. If you get technical confirmation, if you get other confirmation, indicator confirmation, just avoid that. And if market runs into trend, we will take buy entry, like there, okay, we will avoid selling there, because market can be fall anytime, or market can be spike up anytime if any kind of news comes. So that is the fundamental things, that is the main theory. You have to follow fundamental things, and you have to keep your mind on risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward means SL and TP. We always take risk 1, let me remove that. We always keep our risk 1 and reward 3. That means if you take 50 pips SL, your TP should be 150 pips. If you take 100 pips SL, your TP should be 300 pips. That is 1:3 risk reward ratio. In that case, if you win one, if you lose one, no worry in that case. Okay, you will be always in profit. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or for all kind of news, as per I said before, in one platform like fundamental news, technical news, and what is happening around the world, what is happening around US and Iran. So if you want to really know that with a real-time data, you may join a public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. We are sending a lot of analysis, fundamental news in real time into our Telegram channel, so you may join there. So I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal, free entry, you may join a public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. So Mr. Boom signing out.